I heard you won the lottery. I wish I had been as lucky as you. Yeah, it was unbelievable. I wish you had been there with me when they announced the numbers. If only I had bought a ticket that day, I might be celebrating with you now. True, if you had joined me, we could have planned an amazing trip together with the winnings. I wish I had known earlier about your lucky charm numbers. If you had, we both might be on a beach somewhere right now, sipping on coconut water. Well, I hope you enjoy your winnings. I wish you all the happiness that money can bring. Thanks. If only everyone could experience this joy, the world would be a happier place. If wishes were horses, beggars would ride. But hey, I still wish you endless joy and adventures with your newfound fortune. And I wish you plenty of luck for the next lottery draw. Who knows? Third time is the charm. If you liked the video until now, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell and like. Hi my friends! Wish is a word that can either be a verb or a noun in the English language. It is a versatile word that has multiple meanings and uses. In this video, we will explore the basics of wish grammar, the different types of wishes, examples of using the word in a sentence, and understand how to properly handle it in sentence. Let's start learning. English speakers use wish to show that they want a situation to be different. The verb after wish is one tense back, so that if you are wishing for a different present situation, the tense that follows wish is past simple or past continuous. If you are wishing that a past situation was different, the tense that comes after wish is past perfect. You can also use wish with modal verbs in English. We always wish for something to be different than it is, or wish for something new or different to happen in the future. Our wishes for the present are for things that are unlikely or impossible. Our wishes for the past are always impossible because the past cannot be changed. We cannot use a present tense with I wish for the wishes about the present and future. Wishes for the present or future used a past tense verb or a modal verb with an infinitive. It is also possible when we make a wish, we change the form of the verb that we are using from positive to negative. For example, I am poor, I don't like this, and I want to be rich. To express as a wish, we can say, I wish I wasn't poor. Or we can change the adjective and say, I wish I was rich. For example, let's imagine I don't speak Italian. To express as a wish, we can say, I wish I spoke Italian. I wish I had a big car. I don't have a big car, okay? Let's imagine I'm in the office. As a wish, we can say, I wish I were on a beach. Also, wish plus past continuous is used to express that we want to be doing a different action in a present. For example, I wish I were lying on beach now. For example, let's imagine that I'm sitting in the office. So as a wish, I can say, I wish I were lying on beach now. Or let's imagine that it is raining. As a wish, I can say, I wish it weren't raining. Okay? If you noticed in examples I've just explained, I used I wish I was rich and also used I wish I were lying on beach. In English, usually we use I wish I were and I wish it were, okay? However, I wish I was and I wish it was are in common use. But But it's better to say I wish I were. It's better to use were, but it's possible to use was too, okay? If we make a wish about positions or to change a state, we use wish and the original verb in a past form. Look at the examples. I wish I was rich. I'm not rich now. This is a wish relating to a present state, not an action. For example, let's imagine I am here. As a wish, I can say, I wish I wasn't here. Okay? Again, a wish related to a state, not an action. Or, let's imagine I don't know what to do. As a wish, I can say, I wish I knew what to do. On the other hand, if our wishes related to actions that are performed by other people, we use wish with would and a verb infinitive. Look at the examples below. I wish he would stop talking. Let's imagine that he never stops talking. A wish relating to an action. Or let's imagine it is raining and it won't stop. We can say, I wish it would stop raining. If the wish is for an action that we wish for ourselves, we use could instead of would. Also, if we wish for opportunities, ability, capability, or permission, we use could and a verb infinitive. Look at the examples to understand better. Let's imagine that I can't swim. As a wish, I can say, I wish I could swim. A wish relating to ability. Also, it's relating to me. Okay? Or, let's say that I can't remember her name. As a wish, I say, I wish I could remember her name. It's a wish relating to ability and also relating to myself. Okay? To talk about repeated actions which we do not like, an action that's repeating and we don't like it, we use keep plus verb ing to emphasize the repeated or continual nature of the action. For example, let's suppose that she constantly talks about her children. We can say, I wish she wouldn't keep talking about her children. Or let's imagine that my neighbor always parks his car outside my house. I can say as a wish, I wish he wouldn't keep parking his car outside my house. It's inconsiderate. Or, I wish she wouldn't keep shouting. I'm not deaf. Are you agree that we all have regards? Things happen that are not perfect. We often talk about these things and wish for things to be different. When we speak about things that did not happen in the past, but which we wish were true, we use this form. I wish plus subject plus had plus were past participle. Look at these examples. I went to university in Oxford, but now I regret it. Cambridge is a better university. We can say, I wish I had gone to Cambridge University. Or, Manchester United lost to Barcelona in Champions League. I wanted Manchester to win, but I wanted Barcelona to win because Barcelona is my favorite team. We can say, I wish Manchester had beaten Barcelona. If we wish about past positions or past ability, capability, opportunity, or permission, we use this form. I wish plus subject plus could plus have plus past participle. For example, I didn't go to cinema with you because I was working. We can say, I wish I could have gone to cinema with you. Or consider this idea. I wanted to live in America when I was a boy, but my parents chose to live in the UK. We can say, I wish I could have lived in America. Okay? Sometimes the same wish can be expressed both ways, depending on the reason. For example, I wish I had gone to Cambridge University. I decide to go to Oxford, okay? I wish I could have gone to Cambridge University. It means they refused to accept me, so I was unable. Or another example, let's say it was a mistake which I regretted to not go to cinema with you last night. We can say as a wish, I wish I had gone to the cinema with you last night. Or, I wish I could have gone to cinema with you last night. I was working, so I was unable to go. It means this. Got it? Another important point is that when we speak about states or things that did happen in the past, but which we wish were not true, we use this form. They happened in the past, but which we wish were not true, okay? I wish plus subject plus had plus not plus were past participle, a negative form. For example, I forgot to write to her. Now she is unhappy with me. We can say, I wish I hadn't forgotten to write to her. Or, I was tired when I met Susan, so I didn't talk a lot. Now she thinks I'm boring. We can say, I wish I hadn't been tired when I met Susan. We have I wish, subject which is I wish I, had not plus were past participle, hadn't been, okay? I wish I hadn't been tired when I met Susan. Pay attention that we do not use could with this negative form, okay? We also have wish and hope to express that you want something to happen in the future, not wanting a situation to be different and not implying impatience or annoyance. Hope is used instead of wish. For example, I hope it's sunny tomorrow, okay? I wish it was sunny tomorrow is not correct because we want something to happen in the future, okay? Or, I hope she passes her exam next week. I wish she were passing her exam next week is not correct, okay? And the last point, we have wish in fixed expressions. This is the structure used in fixed expressions. I or we wish you blah blah. For example, I wish you a happy birthday. We wish you good luck in your new job. Okay? Now I want you to make some sentences in comment about your wishes. That's all you have to know. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.